The automated floor truss system is the future.
We were always looking for the next best thing. What's the next step in automation? And lo and behold, here comes a robotics application we felt was going to be beneficial to our industry. Through the collaboration with the house design team, we really developed a strong relationship and partnership. When we identified issues that we needed in the market or issues with the robot, they were Johnny on the spot, and they really came to the table and fixed things as we needed it.
We were able to add basically 2 more floor lines with 1 piece of equipment, and we're doing that with less people than what it would have taken to operate the other 2 lines.
Training with House of Design has been great. They're very responsive to everybody's needs. They have taught everybody the system as far as the HMI and controlling the robot in itself.
I was concerned about the learning curve. It may take our employees, but they've done a very good job the way they design the interface on it to where the operators can feed the machine and keep track of what they have going on very easily.
I believe the quality of the trusses that the House of Design machine creates is phenomenal. The plate placement is dead on. The boards have to be fed correctly. If not, the truss will not get built. It makes a great truss.